welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn an adult mask into a toddler mask using no sewing machine, which would be really nice. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. So you want to get 3 measurements for the mask. One is going to be from ear to ear, which is going to be how long the mask is overall. Then the other one is going to be like the cheek to cheek, which is kind of going to represent where the cloth is going to cover. And then the last one is going to be from the top of the nose to the chin, which make sure it gives your child enough clearance to where it's going to cover the nose and the mouth. So after you're done measuring your kid, you want to go ahead and cut off the earpieces on your mask. Then I just take my measuring tool to measure the length and see how much I need to cut off, so that way it can fit my kid's face from the nose to the chin. Then I just go ahead and cut off the seams around the mask all the way around, but don't cut it exactly to the length that you're gonna need. You want it to be a little bit bigger because we're gonna have to fold those seams back up and re-sew them so that way it's neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread my needle. This is just a standard needle that you actually use for sewing hair. I like it better because it has a curve to it and it keeps me from poking myself. So you just want to thread your needle with the same color thread as the mask. Then I'm literally just going to proceed by sewing up the rough edges around my mask by folding them over and then sewing with my thread and needle kind of with them folded over, so that way I can create a nice edge, kind of like recreating the seam that I cut off. Now you just want to be mindful that while you're folding it, you're making it to the measurements that you measured your child to be. To be honest, I'm not doing this I'm not going by the exact measurement. I'm kind of eyeballing it, but just if you want it to be perfect, just make sure that you're going back and taking your ruler to make sure that it matches the length that you need for your kid, the length and the width. Here is how the back side of the mask is looking, and here is how the front side is looking after I'm done sewing all the edges. So now I want to take my little earpieces that I cut off at first, and you want to sew these on the back where the seams are already showing. Go ahead and sew those on, and you can also get your little handy dandy ruler at this point to make sure that it is the appropriate length from ear to the back of your child's ears, and that way we can make sure we're keeping it the right size. Go ahead and flip that mask over so the seam side is showing, and just place your little ear pieces there, and we're just gonna thread our needle and sew those bad boys on. Just make sure that you're sewing them flat, and that way it doesn't look bulky or anything. Here is how the mask is looking once it's all sewn up. It's honestly the cutest little thing. It reminds me of a little doll baby's mask. And just me being the extra person that I am, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a iron-on patch on this mask for my daughter because I gotta glam it up a little bit. And I just placed the iron-on patch where I want it to be. I got these off Amazon. They're really cheap and they're cute, and I got these for a previous project that I was working on. But just make sure your iron is on really hot and just rub it over the iron-on patch, and it should be good to go. These stick on really well and it's hard to get off. So here are the final results. My baby looks so stinking cute. She's really good about keeping her mask on, so it's okay if I, take her to stores with me, and I always need an extra mask for her in my bag. She is just the love of my life. She's so sweet and cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. And lastly, just leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on this video, if you enjoyed it, and any future DIY videos you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.